Can you just comment on how conducting research as an undergraduate has impacted your learning and your career path?
Yeah, so I would say that being able to conduct research as an undergrad has definitely just taught me a different way to think. It's taught me a different way to problem solve specifically in just my field of interest. I think I said this after I presented earlier, but just being able to kind of think of things on my own rather than being handed a procedure within the chemistry lab and being like, okay, do these things and then you'll get these specific results. I'm able to come up with my own methods with my mentor, and we don't really know what results we're going to get, but we're going to get something is kind of really nice in a different way that I'm used to. So I think it's really helped me grow with okay, I need to really think outside of the box in the different projects that I'm on and be able to understand why I'm doing this and how I'm doing this because it's really just going to prepare me for my future research where I'm going to have to do that just as a career in general. So I think having this opportunity has definitely helped me grow and just kind of evolve my interest and what I want to continue to do. And I think also just with the different projects or this project and then also another project that I'm on, they're so different, but they still incorporate the same interests that I have. Seeing different areas of study that I can go in that aren't just the ones that I'm interested in general is also very cool because there's just so many things in science that you can really do or really research if you just think of honestly a project that doesn't have an answer to it. So I think that's my takeaways from undergraduate research.
I think being able to conduct your own research as an undergrad is one of the very unique aspects about PACE that I'm learning that I love. Because in an undergraduate degree, pretty much everything is structured. You have to take these core classes, you have to take these major requirements, and you have to do it at these times. And you don't really get much of a choice. But as Morgan said, in a research project, you are literally creating everything from the question to the methodology to the data analysis to the presentation, and everything is up to you. And while that is an extreme amount of pressure, don't get me wrong, it is also a beautiful, beautiful creative freedom that we don't usually get in a undergraduate degree, especially one that's science-based or even social science based, because obviously a performing arts major, you're creative 24/7. But for us, it's unique to have the complete freedom to just, follow follow your heart in the least cheesy way possible to wherever it will lead you. And you can create entirely new ideas and entirely new questions and answers. And I think that is probably the biggest impact that this experience has had on me, is that I know that there's a lot more options now for my career. While I may not know exactly what I want to do, I know that as long as I put my mind to it, I will be able to find an answer to any question that I might have. And I think that creativity in combination with that control is what is really giving me a new confidence to know that I can find a career that will fit me. So
Thank you. You have both beautifully expressed one of the outcomes of undergraduate research as an experiential pedagogy, which is also a best practice in American higher education. And that's, innovative thinking and independence of mind.